Imamat is a profound knowledge given in the Quran. Quran discusses about Imamat. And Imamat is a doctrine given in Quran and Prophet. Prophet said, Min ba'di asna ashara khalifati. Awwaluna Muhammad, wa awsatuna Muhammad, wa akhiruna Muhammad. After me, I have 12 guides, 12 Mahdi, 12 Rahbar, 12 leaders. They will lead towards heaven. They will lead towards right path from first day to the last day. From Imam Ali to Imam Mahdi, Imam is there to guide you people. Imam is Haq. Al-Haqq ma Ali wa Ali ma al-Haq. So if you want to take right path, you must consult towards Imam. Atiullah wa ati Rasul. Wa ulil amri minkum. Obey Allah, obey Prophet, then ulil amr. Ulil amr is there to guide you people. Sahib al-amr. Imam Mahdi is called Sahib al-amr. What is amr? Command of Allah. All are Mahdi, all are Hadi. All the 12 Imams are Mahdi. Mahdi means the one who is directed by Allah. And Hadi is one who leads towards God, who guides you. So from Imam Ali till Imam Mahdi, all are Mahdi, all are Hadi. As Prophet said, Min ba'di asna ashra khalifati awwaluna Muhammad, wa awsatuna Muhammad, wa akhiruna Muhammad. They're all Muhammad, but their time is gone. It is the time of our Imam. The part of knowledge was given to Asif-e-Barkhia, who was able to bring the throne of Bilqis from far away area. Part of, in the fraction of time, part away from a distant area, in a wink of an eye. How is Imam? Imam is the extreme power. Kullu shayin ahsaynahu fi imam mubin. 3 years or 4 years, Imam Hassan is able to reply the answer, the difficult questions answer, and he was reciting Lawh-e-Mahfuz, the preserved book. You want to identify Imam? Go and ask some question. If he is unable to reply, he is not an Imam. But if he is able to reply, then again, he is brave. He is not a coward. Ghaybah in front of you. Hassan Askari was martyred in a very early life. He was not allowed to be buried in a public place. Descendants were not allowed to even weep or cry on the death of Imam. So what should be done? So it was will of Allah to send Imam Mahdi in population, because he is there to guard the religion, the Islam or the Tazkara or the Zikr or Quran till the day of judgment. Hablullah is that rope of Allah which is connected with that from Imam Ali, from Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to Imam Mahdi. Subhanallah. There one chain, one end of this to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and other end to Imam Mahdi. So we have to follow this.